but I'm gonna give it a shot and gonna try to make a roof so you can see how it's done, maybe. Right now this is 10 foot 8 by, well, 10 foot 8 inches, 10, 29, 11. Okay, so anytime you have a roof, you have a part that's gonna hang over. So I'm gonna make it significantly larger than it really is. So there's an overhang of a couple feet. So 10 foot and 30 foot roughly. So I'm gonna make mine about 12 by 32. Gavin. Okay, 12 foot, comma, 32, comma. It's a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna blow it up with the push-pull tool just a little bit, about 6 inches or so. Maybe not that much. 4 inches looks good. And I'm gonna take my middle line and splice it down the middle. And then try to pull it up. And I believe this is the right tool, maybe. Ooh, that looks interesting. Check that out. Probably not. Let's try selecting just the middle line instead. And pull it up. And when I'm on the blue, see the blue axis, if I go off to the side, I lose the blue dotted line. If I'm on the blue, that means I'm straight up in the middle. Pull it up. 5 foot looks reasonable for my situation. I now have a roof. This other rectangle is my house, if you didn't figure that out. So then I just need to move and select it. And then I'm gonna pick up my roof and try to set it on top. See if that works, maybe. Get it to overlap a bit.
I did it.
Good job, Kaylee. And I think the last thing to do then is just to measure it, make sure that it's, well, there goes my house. Is to measure it and make sure that it lines up so it's even on both sides of the house. Struggling here, but that's how I do it. Okay, so last thing I do, I measure exactly how big the roof is, measure exactly how big the house is, make sure there's the same amount of overhang on each side, and then put her in place. But that is the general idea. For one of the example houses I did, it was not roof like this. Instead, I drew it in with a diagonal. I'd go up on the axis. And you could also have a roof that is at a slant like this. I believe that's in one of the other videos, how to do that. So you could also have a roof more like this, which would be super easy. Depending on the house you have, it might fit better too. So there are two roofs.